Welcome back to Abit Academy, and if you're new, a very warm welcome to you. This channel is where you will find learning technical and IT skills is made fun and easy. In this video, we'll be learning to use the Find and Replace tool. Let's not delay any further, just hit those like and subscribe buttons to help me out and we'll get started. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to find words or phrases in Microsoft Word. When you're dealing with short text, it's pretty easy to find what you're looking for. But when you're working with larger text, it can be really difficult to find a specific word or phrase. That's where the Find command comes in. The Find command, which has the icon of magnifying lens, is located on the extreme right of the Home tab. First, click the arrow to the right of the Find button. Now, click the Advanced Find option. When you click on it, the navigation box will open. To find a specific word or phrase, simply type the text you're looking for into the search field and press the Enter key. Word will highlight the first instance of the text you entered. Just keep clicking Next to cycle through all instances within the document. This makes it easy to quickly jump to sections of the document where your search term appears. But that's not all the Find command can do. You can also use it to search for specific formatting in your document. For example, you can use it to search for bold or italic text, underlined text, or even specific font types or sizes. To search for formatting, click on the More button in the navigation box. This will expand the box and give you additional search options. From there, you can select the formatting option you want to search for, and Word will highlight the instance of the formatting in your document. Let's expand this one stage further and talk about how to use the Find and Replace command in Microsoft Word. This is a really powerful tool that allows you to quickly find and substitute a character, word, or specific phrase with another one in an entire document. To access the Find and Replace command, you need to go to the extreme right of the Home tab and click on the Replace button. When you do this, the Find and Replace window will appear. In the Find What field, you need to type the word or phrase that you want to substitute, and in the Replace With field, you need to type the new word or phrase that will take its place. Once you've entered your search and replace terms, there are several different ways to apply the command. If you want to replace the first instance of the word or phrase, simply click on the Replace button. Word will find the first instance and replace it with the new term. If you want to replace all instances of the word or phrase, click on the Replace All button. Word will search the entire document and replace every instance of the search term with the new term. If you want to replace the terms one by one, click on the Find Next button. Word will find the first instance of the search term and highlight it. You can then choose to replace it or not. If you choose to replace it, Word will move on to the next instance of the search term and highlight it, and so on. At the end of the operation, Word will show you the number of substitutions that were made. And that's it for how to use the Find and Replace command in Microsoft Word. It's a really powerful tool that can save you a lot of time and effort when you're editing your document. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget, we've got plenty more videos to come covering all aspects of ICDL Plus Word Processing, from basic formatting to advanced techniques. We'll make sure you master the program like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.